Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to unsubscribe in Yahoo Mail. So the first thing to do is to open your Yahoo Mail application or log into yahoo.com on a web browser. From your main inbox page, go ahead and open up an email you would like to unsubscribe. Soon after you do that, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the bottom right hand corner and tap on unsubscribe from the list. You've now unsubscribed the email from the specific contact. Remember that it can take a few days for unsubscribe process to complete. Some senders might require you to log into their website to manage preferences. The action applies to the specific email address you are using in Yahoo Mail. So that is how you should be able to unsubscribe an email on Yahoo. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.